The legal representative of convicted Walter Sisulu University student Sibongile Mani pleaded with East London Regional Court to hand down a suspended sentence instead of direct imprisonment for his client. Mani was found guilty on a charge of theft relating to a sum of 14 million rand erroneously deposited into her account. She apparently spent 800,000 rand before the error was noted, and pre-sentencing proceedings commenced yesterday in the East London Regional Court, and sentencing is due to be handed down today. Let's bring in SABC news reporter Abongile Jantjies. He's covering this story for us. Abongile, very good morning to you. What's the likelihood of a suspended sentence here?
Well, Blaine, depending on where you are sitting, if you're coming from the side of the state, they are calling for a 15-year jail term. That's the minimum that they are calling for, Blaine. They are saying that it would serve as a deterrent to any student in the country who would find him or herself in Mani's shoes, that they should return the money and not spend the money the way that she did. The state also argued that had the spendings of money not been identified or withdrawn or stopped, she would have continued to spend that entire 14 million rand. That's why they say that she deserves to at least be in prison for quite a period of time. And they are saying that she had no intention of stopping her spending. Well, we can tell you that she is inside court. We saw her in the morning carrying a bag, which one could say is an indication, should she go in prison, she will have a bag with her things in it. But her lawyer, Asanda Pakade, made a passionate plea to the court yesterday that Mani is an honors student in the Faculty of Education, and that her family she's carrying the hopes of her family that one day should be the breadwinner of her family. They are solely dependent on her grandmother's pension grant or SASA grant plan. So they're saying that there's no way that she can go inside court to spend time because she's not a danger to society, and that they're arguing she was young when she committed this offense, and of which she was at the age of 26. But the state is having none of its plain. Proceedings are expected to start at 11 o'clock here in the East London Regional Court.
You know, when you canvass views on the story in the public, it differs. Social media, having their say, it tends to matter little when it comes to court proceedings and how they adjudicate the case. But talk to us about the sentiment on the ground with regards to sentencing proceedings.
Well, Blaine, the opinion on the ground, particularly from the students of Walter Sisulu, particularly from the student organization PASMA, which is an affiliation of the PAC, which Mani was the Secretary General of during her time at the University of Walter Sisulu in 2017. They are saying that there's no way that she could go to jail. They want her out, and that she could be able to be employed one day, and that she could pay back the money, because they are arguing that it was not her fault that the money was deposited into her account. But they are saying that no, they will do anything should she be found guilty. She has been found guilty, but should she go to prison, they will appeal that sentencing, and they are lobbying for funds that she doesn't go to jail, Blaine. But from other people, they are saying that she has committed the offense, and that this is taxpayers' money that she erroneously spent, and that she spent lavishly. She even changed her Facebook name from Sibongile Mani to the term MONEY, standing for money. Those are the things that they are saying that she lived a lavish life, and now she must pay for her sins, Blaine.
Abongile Jantjies is our man on the ground.